Welcome to Krino Forensic, a student led initiative where we are committed to turning suspicions into certainties. In a world where scars speak louder than words, this is the story of courage, justice, and science. Today, we uncover the case of Laxmi Agarwal, an acid attack survivor who turned a pain into power. Through the lens of forensic science, let's explore how truth was uncovered, evidence was analyzed, and justice was pursued. This is not just a case study, it is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. Lakshmi Agarwal's life story is one of strength and transformation. Born in 1990 in New Delhi, India, she was a lively and ambitious young woman who dreamed of building a career in the fashion industry. However, her dreams were shattered when she became the victim of a horrific acid attack. This tragic event changed the course of her life, but instead of letting it break her spirit, Lakshmi rose to become a prominent advocate against acid attacks. Her journey reflects resilience, courage, and a powerful commitment to bringing justice and awareness to the issue of acid violence. Acid attacks are abhorrent acts of violence where acid is thrown on someone, causing devastating physical and emotional wounds. Tragically, these attacks disproportionately affect women and often stem from personal conflicts, jealousy, or deeply ingrained societal norms. The psychological consequences for survivors are immense, resulting in enduring trauma and significant challenges in returning to their lives and communities. On April 19, 2005, in broad daylight in New Delhi, Lakshmi Agarwal endured a horrific acid attack. While out with a friend, a man named Naeem Khan, fueled by prior harassment, threw acid on her face and upper body, inflicting devastating and permanent injuries. This brutal act not only physically disfigured her, necessitating numerous surgeries, but also left profound and lasting emotional scars, highlighting the pervasive issue of violence against women in society and instilling fear in many. Following a brutal acid attack at the young age of 15, Lakshmi Agarwal received immediate and extensive medical treatment, enduring multiple surgeries to repair the severe physical damage. The aftermath of this horrific event was deeply traumatic, leaving her to cope with not only the physical wounds but also the profound emotional distress. Despite the immense challenges she faced growing up, Lakshmi had always been driven and focused on her aspirations, particularly a passion for the fashion industry, where she dreamed of expressing her artistic creativity through design. Tragically, this promising future was abruptly and cruelly interrupted by the attack. Lakshmi's courageous decision to file a complaint against her attacker marked a crucial turning point in her arduous journey towards justice and healing, a process that demanded immense bravery as she confronted not only her physical and emotional scars but also the pervasive societal backlash and stigmatization often faced by victims of such violence. By engaging with law enforcement and bravely navigating the complexities of the legal system, Lakshmi transcended a personal trauma and became a powerful voice for countless others who had suffered in silence. Her actions, fueled by the hope of paving the way for meaningful legal reform and greater accountability for perpetrators of acid attacks. The legal proceedings initiated by Lakshmi's courageous decision to file a complaint proved to be a challenging and obstacle ridden path as she persevered through societal stigma and the deep wounds of a personal trauma. However, Her unwavering determination to seek justice ignited a significant legal battle against the heinous crime of acid violence in India, setting a precedent for future cases and amplifying the urgent need for systemic change. The legal proceedings against Lakshmi's attacker proved to be protracted, enduring for several years and marked by numerous frustrating delays. Finally, in the year 2013, the judicial system reached a conclusion, delivering its judgment by sentencing Naeem Khan to a decade long imprisonment for the grievous assault he committed. Beyond the legal ramifications, Lakshmi's case resonated deeply with the public and attracted considerable attention from various media outlets. This extensive media coverage played a pivotal role in bringing the heinous crime of acid attacks into the spotlight, thereby significantly raising awareness about the prevalence and devastating consequences of such acts of violence against individuals. Following her recovery, Laxmi Agarwal channeled a traumatic experience into impactful activism, emerging as a strong advocate for the rights of acid attack survivors. Her journey served as a powerful inspiration to many as she bravely spoke out against these brutal acts of violence, tirelessly working to bring about meaningful societal changes. Lakshmi's dedicated efforts have led to a significant increase in awareness and support for victims, effectively transforming a personal pain into a broader mission for justice through initiatives like creating awareness among people and establishing NGOs dedicated to the well being of acid attack victims. The profound psychological impact of an acid attack on Lakshmi Agarwal is evident. Following the horrific physical assault, Lakshmi was left grappling with severe trauma, manifesting as vivid flashbacks, terrifying nightmares, and an overwhelming fear of venturing into public spaces. The simple act of looking in the mirror became a painful reminder of the cruelty she endured, constantly re traumatizing her. This led to a debilitating battle with depression and anxiety, characterized by feelings of isolation, crippling self doubt, and moments of profound hopelessness. There were days when the fear of facing the world and the potential judgment of others kept her confined to her home. Turning to the attacker's perspective, it highlights the dangerous mindset of entitlement that can drive such acts of violence. It suggests that individuals like Naeem Khan may believe they possess the right to control, own, or punish others. In Lakshmi's case, his inability to accept rejection fueled a sense of insult, ultimately leading him to choose a path of destruction. Furthermore, the image touches upon the broader issue of toxic masculinity, suggesting that many perpetrators share common traits such as narcissism, possessiveness, and a distorted perception of what it means to be a man. This warped sense of masculinity can lead to the horrifying belief that if they cannot possess someone, no one else should. Lakshmi Agarwal's case has had a profound effect on society's perception of acid attacks. It has served as a catalyst, igniting crucial conversations surrounding gender based violence and demanding greater accountability for perpetrators through stricter laws. The public discourse around acid attacks has evolved, with a growing emphasis on advocating for the rights and providing support to victims. Lakshmi's story has been instrumental in dismantling harmful stereotypes often associated with acid attack survivors. By courageously sharing her personal journey, she has illuminated the remarkable resilience and inner strength of those who have endured such horrific acts, thereby fostering empathy and understanding within society. This fundamental shift in perception encourages a move away from viewing survivors as mere victims towards recognizing them as powerful warriors who are actively overcoming their past. Conclusion encapsulates the significant takeaways from Lakshmi Agarwal's journey. Her transformation from a victim to a powerful advocate underscores the remarkable resilience of the human spirit when faced with immense adversity. Her case serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for societal change and the critical importance of providing unwavering support to victims of acid violence. Furthermore, the broader implications of her story extend beyond individual suffering, inspiring continued action against the pervasive issue of gender based violence and powerfully demonstrating how a single voice can indeed be a catalyst for meaningful change. Lakshmi's resilience in the face of horrific circumstance offers a profound lesson about the inherent strength within the human spirit. Her dedicated activism acts as a constant reminder of the moral imperative to speak out against injustice and to stand in solidarity with those who have endured suffering. Ultimately, the lessons gleaned from her journey emphasize the fundamental need for compassion, profound understanding, and proactive advocacy in the ongoing fight to combat violence against women. Though the acid scarred body, it could not break spirit. Stand not as a victim, but as a resilient survivor, unwavering in dignity and strength. This case study was presented by Susan Petricia, a volunteer at Krino Forensic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more case studies and forensic insights.